guys! So, time check. Time check. Yan, ang galing. Happy graduation day!
Graduation day.
Last for the strand is STEM 12-4, supervised by Mr. Nico Angelo Kilo. Now that we've called the students with their advisors,
Dear Heavenly Father, we gather before you today with grateful hearts as we celebrate this graduation.
together with the graduating members of the Hinirang Dance Company, perform their heartfelt batch song.
Isang panibagong bukas ang ating hinahangad. Huwag mong sasayangin ang pagkakataong dumadapos sa iyong mga palad.
Lahat ng aking pagsisikap ay inaalay ko sa iyo. Anumang pagsubok ang aking harapin, mananatiling nakatayo.
Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, niliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, lumakbay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang hiraya.
Munting pasasalamat sa pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ako'y narito dahil lamang sa'yo, nanatiling nakatayo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, lumabay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang hiraya.
Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, lumabay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang
Thank you, students.
These candidates are now ready and respectfully await your confirmation of their graduation.
I hereby confirm you graduates. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates! Likewise, let us express our highest tribute and congratulations to the parents by giving them the loudest applause. Again, our sincere congratulations.
Grandson Kevin G. with honor. Gibbons Jacqueline I. with honors. Manago Jenny Y. with honors. Mantel Eliza May Nano Quincy Doreen F. Tumagaan with honors. Tumagaan EFG.
Congratulations! May picture kaya?
Join us as we recognize the recipients of this national awards for Watch 2026.
In ERCIHS, we have a very long organization where students can join the pandemic with their dedication to achieve set targets with the school in line with the vision and mission of the school.
Present the honor of award Outstanding Organization Achievement Award. May request. Mr. Ryan Villanueva. Additional person. And the citation. The Black Hawk recognition is hereby awarded you for being recognized as best of in school year 2025-2026 in grateful acknowledgement.
Kindly raise your right hand and please repeat after me. We, the senior high school graduates of Emmanuel Resurrection Congressional Integrated High School Class 2026, to our beloved alma mater.
I do solemnly pledge.
So help me God.
Mabuhay Congressionalian!
Oo, yan. Ice chocolate. Magpasok sa likod kayo na, di ba? May isa pang school. Oo. Oo.
Lahat ng senior high teachers dito po na sa harap. Lahat po ng senior high teachers dito daw po sa harap. Check na lang po yung linya ng mga chairs. All male teachers, senior high, all male teachers. Pakidouble check lang po ang linya ng mga chairs. Thank you. Pakiayos mo ulit yung chairs natin. Salamat po.
Okay naman po. Mahihain ako, ma. Wag mo akong introduce. Iniiwasan ko nga. Nagtatago ako eh. Ito yung gate 1. Tingnan mo, dami nag-aabang sa gate 2 tsaka gate 4.